Hi students, good evening. You are all welcome to my online class. Hope you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. This online class is brought to you by Shoaib Abdul Ali Academy. You know, due to COVID-19, you are staying at home, but your classes are going on through online. We are trying to recover your study through online. Dear students, at first I would like to introduce myself and also subject. This is my identity. I am Mohammad Muslimuddin, Assistant Headmaster, Shoaib Abdul Ali Academy, Rizab Bazar, Rangamati Shodor Rangamati. This is also my email. You can communicate with me through this email also. Dear students, today class is for class 9 and 10. This is your favorite subject, English for today. I will discuss with you with your literature subject, English for today. Dear students, today I will discuss Unit 7. Look at this picture. Who is this man? Who is he? What does he do? Now gaze, who is he? There is also another picture. I hope you can guess who is this man. This man has a tablet in his hand, so you can guess who is this. He is the founder of Apple. Do you know this man's name? Yes, his name is Stephen Paul Jobs. So students, yes, he is popularly known as Steve Jobs. This is his short name. Dear students, who made Apple company popularized all over the world? This is a picture of Apple. Dear students, look at this man. You know, I was discussing about himself, about his duties and activities. Dear students, look at. So, the two pictures is about Mr. Jobs, Stephen Paul Jobs. Today's topic is The Wizard of Apple. Unit 7, Lesson 7, page 107 and 108. Dear students, learning outcome. After completing this lesson, you will be able to listen to a text for specific information, ask and answer questions, read and understand through silent reading, and write about the life and career of Steve Jobs. I am going to the next slide. Look at the pictures and try to answer the questions. There are some questions for you. Try to give the answer of the question. What do you see? Apple logo. We can see an Apple logo. Are you familiar with this logo? I hope you are familiar with this logo. What does this logo stand for? এই যে লোগোটি রয়েছে এটা কি জন্য তোমাদের সামনে তুলে ধরা হলো? Dear students, I hope you can give. Which company uses this logo for its product? Almost. Of course, Apple company use this logo for its product. I am going to the next slide. Dear students, here are some vocabularies or word meaning for you. Develop. It means improve. Here is the word. Take your exercise book and write them in your exercise book. Develop, it means improve. Here is a graph for you. You can give what is improving from top to bottom. Here is another word. Supervise. Supervise, that means in Bangla we can say Porichalona. Observe. Here is a picture. Look at. Someone is supervising the workers about their work. about their work. Dear students, bankruptcy, that means insolvency. In clear word we can say poor. Look at this man is thinking for his future and for his life. That is called bankruptcy, insolvency. Here are some vocabularies, more vocabularies for you. Revolution, struggle. Here is the word struggle. Write down in your exercise book. I hope it will be helpful for you in future when you answer the MCQ in your English first paper. It will be helpful for you. Here is a picture for revolution. Look at, they are struggling. In picture, here is also another vocabulary for you. Push, press. Look at this picture. A man is pushing a car. Customer, that means buyer or consumer. Here is a man selling some goods, grocery goods, and a man is buying them. I am going to the next slide. Some information about Stephen Paul Jobs. Here are some information. Look at this picture. Mr. Jobs was born 24 January 1955. Pioneer of personal computer revolution. Co-founder, chairman and chief executive officer of Apple Inc. has changed people's outlook towards computers. He is also called a visionary leader. Founded NEXT, another computer platform. Co-founder of chief executive of Pictures Animation Studios. This visionary person died on 5th October 2011. Dear students, now listen to the text about Mr. Jobs and listen it very carefully. Stephen Paul Jobs, 24 February 1955 to 5 October 2011, most popularly known as Steve Jobs, was the co-founder, chairman and chief executive officer of Apple Inc. He was the pioneer of the personal computer revolution. He was famous for his career in the electronic field of computers and consumers. This became possible through the marketing of Apple computers. In 1985, Jobs left Apple after losing a power battle with the board of directors. He then founded NEXT, a computer platform development company specializing in the higher education and business market. On the other hand, Apple failed to bring up any new operating system during Jobs' absence. Jobs returned to Apple as an advisor and took control of the company as an interim CEO. By 1995, Jobs brought back Apple profitably from the verge of bankruptcy. He supervised the development of iMac, iTunes, iPod, iPhone, and iPad. These services are so simple and user-friendly that even a child can operate them. Dear students, here is another part of the text. He supervised the company's Apple Store, iTunes Store, and the App Store too. The success of these production and services brought about steady financial returns for several years and pushed Apple to become the world's most valuable publicly traded company in 2011. This term is regarded as the greatest turnaround in the business history. Steve Jobs has been highly acclaimed as a visionary leader. Jobs has changed people's perspective computers and how they use it, consume personal media, and how they communicate with each other. Hence, iBook, iPhones, iPod, and iPad have become extremely popular. Jobs saw and felt the need of Wi-Fi, wireless connection, English for Today book, 121 page, internet connection in laptop. It is who made Wi-Fi a standard feature of every laptop, and of many other devices worldwide. So, Jobs' dream to be anywhere, anytime became a reality. Jobs also co-founded and served as chief executive of Pixar Animation Studios. He became a member of the board of directors of the Walt Disney Company in 2006 when Disney acquired Pixar. Dear students, I am going to the next slide. Look at this. Jobs innovation. Jobs introduced iBook, iPhone, iPad, and iPod extremely popular. iBook, here is a picture of iBook, you can see. There is iPhone, it is very popular in the world. There is iPod, and here is also iPad. Dear students, look at another slide. Jobs felt the need of Wi-Fi, wireless internet connection, and a standard feature of every laptop. Wi-Fi connection, look at this picture, you can give what is the Wi-Fi connection. Here is a video for you. Due to shortage of time, I can't show it to you. Next time I will try to show you this video. Fill up the information about Steve Jobs. Here is a table. You can fill up this table. Answer the following question. What is next? What is the importance of iPhone? How did he bring about financial return of Apple Inc.? Where did he serve as chief executive? And write about Jobs' successful career. I gave the answers for you. Answer the following questions. Who was Stephen Paul Jobs? What does power battle mean? How did Jobs manage to bring Apple back to profitably? Why do people like the device of Apple? Why did he felt the need of Wi-Fi? Dear students, I hope you will write the answer from this page. Here is the answer of number A. Stephen Paul Jobs was the co-founder, chairman, and chief executive officer of Apple Inc. The next answer is power battle means struggle for authority or something. Number 3, the answer is Jobs rejoined Apple as an interim CEO. He supervised several products which became successful, and thus with his efforts and endeavors, Jobs managed to bring Apple back to the profitably. Yes, students, there is another answer for you. People like the device of Apple because they are so simple and user-friendly that even a child can operate them. The another answer is Jobs felt that Wi-Fi connection was needed in laptops because he dreamed of being anywhere anytime. Yes, students, here is a homework for you. You should write about Steve Jobs was called a visionary. Here is a line explaining it in short. I hope you will do this homework in your exercise book, and when your school will remain open again, you will be able to show this homework to your teacher or you. Yes, students. Now, I am at the end part of the online class. I hope you are well by the grace of Allah and you are staying at home. Don't go out without any work. If you have any work, if you have to go out, you should wear mask and take it. Honestly, you are honest request to wear mask when you go outside. So thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye. Yes, students, take care of your health, take care of your family, and take care of your parents. Thank you very much.